In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira ticket. If you're tracking tasks, bugs, or project work in Jira, creating a clear ticket is one of the most important things you can do. A well-made ticket helps your team understand the work quickly, prioritize it properly, and move it through the workflow without confusion. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process from start to finish in a simple and practical way. To begin, go to your Jira board or project view and click on Create. This opens the ticket creation window where you'll enter all the key information for the new issue. This is the starting point for adding any new work item into Jira. Next, select the work type. This tells Jira what kind of ticket you're creating, such as a task, story, or bug, depending on how your workspace is set up. Choosing the correct work type matters because it helps organize the work properly and ensures the ticket follows the right process for your team. After that, select the status. This determines the current stage of the work when the ticket is created. In some cases, you may start with something like to do or another default status based on your workflow. Make sure the status reflects where the item should begin so that it appears correctly on your board. Now, type the summary. The summary should be short, clear, and specific because it serves as the main title of the ticket. Anyone scanning the board should be able to understand the issue or task just by reading this line. Try to keep it focused and easy to recognize at a glance. Then type the description. This is where you add the important details behind the ticket. Use this space to explain the issue, request, or task in enough detail that someone else can understand what needs to be done. A good description reduces back and forth questions and helps the assignee get started faster. Once that's done, fill in the other details. Depending on your Jira setup, this may include fields like priority, assignee, labels, due dates, or other project-specific information. These extra details help with planning, filtering, reporting, and ownership, so it's worth taking a moment to complete them carefully. Finally, click on Create to submit the ticket. Jira will then save the new issue and add it to your project so your team can begin tracking and working on it. And that's it. That's how to create a Jira ticket from start to finish. If you want cleaner project tracking, better team communication, and fewer misunderstandings, taking a little extra care when filling out each field can make a big difference.